Part 5 Date Pe Chal. A few months back, I was out with a guy at a restaurant, and we're sitting on the same side of the booth. It's nice, we're talking. This waiter comes to our table and he taps on his shoulder and asks him to come by the reception area to talk to his manager. And as I sit up, I notice this auntie from across the room just staring daggers at me. And I'm just looking back at her like, okay, I guess this is acceptable to do now. And for the entirety that my friend is talking to the manager, she's just staring, and I am staring back. And in the middle of the stare down, my friend comes back and he leans on the table and says to me, we might have offended some customers by sitting side by side. And I tell him, I'm sure it's the auntie from across the table that's just looking at me. And he says, it might have been the auntie sitting at the back. And I look back and I think, oh shit, now I've offended two aunties with my existence. But the fact of the matter is, we were just sitting and eating, yet somehow we've offended this establishment and its people. So this little story, right? It got me thinking about how it can be like being out with a man in Karachi. कहानी है सदी पुरानी सी, एक लड़का और एक लड़की, पर अब कहानी एक कबाब की मानंद हो गई है और उसमें हड्डियां भी आ गई हैं, तो कहानी शायद इतनी सीधी सादी नहीं रही.
आपको उन चीज़ों के बारे में पता होता है जिनके बारे में बात होती है, जिनके बारे में बात ही नहीं होती, सो यू नेवर रियली नो अबाउट एनीथिंग. व्हेन माय सिस्टर वाज गेटिंग मैरिड, तो जब उसके लिए अरेंज मैरिज का प्रपोजल आया था, सो माय फादर वाज लाइक, डू यू लाइक एनीबॉडी? एंड शी वाज लाइक, आर वी सपोज्ड टू? कैन वी? वी नेवर रियली टॉक्ड अबाउट इट. So he was like, if you do, then tell me. So she's like, no, you never allowed us to. Then why are you asking this question?
That's Taira. Taira 23 साल है. Before meeting and settling down with her husband, she dated the first boy she saw on her school's boys section because, well...
So I had this thing in my mind that when you are talking to boys, so it's only for relationships. You cannot be just friends with them, like no Hermione and Harry, kind of thing.
And this is a little upsetting, but she didn't really like the guy she went out with. But when I started interviewing more, I recognized this pattern in girls' dating life. They started out saying yes to boys simply because...
It all happened because I never really had any other choice or any other chance. I never had things to choose from. So I was like, okay, this is the one, this is what I have to go with.
Or...
Being in a relationship with someone is like कि आपका एक permanent दोस्त है और वो आपके साथ है हमेशा, और वो मतलब आप उससे कभी भी बात कर रहे हो या आप एक तरह से एक कुत्ता पाल रहे हैं. अगर मैं कहूँ सही है, क्योंकि मैंने तो कुत्ता ही पाले हैं. खैर,
Whom you just heard from was Haika. She's currently studying at university and unattached, romantically speaking. If it's so hush-hush, do you tell your friends about it?
तो मैंने जब बताया था अपनी पहली रिलेशनशिप का, जब मैंने अपने दोस्तों को बताया था, तो दे वर काइंड ऑफ शॉक्ड एंड मतलब इट वाज न्यू टू देम. तो मतलब हाँ, मुझे थोड़ी बहुत एम्बैरेसमेंट होती है अपने दोस्तों को बताने में कि ओ ये लड़का है, इसको मैं पसंद करती हूँ, ही लाइक्स मी बैक एंड ये वाली चीज़. तो मतलब जज अब आई डोंट नो वो करते होंगे या नहीं करते होंगे, बट पर्सनली मैं खुद मतलब एम्बैरेस्ड फील करती हूँ ये बताने में. आई मीन, imagine liking a man in 2026.
This of course is not the case for everyone. Marine has dated mostly women and one man since she was 17. For her, friends tend to be whom you reach out to. But there was a non-heteronormative reason for that.
First time pe I had a very very good support system with my friends, and वो था because all of us were gay. So, and there is this thing to be observed about gay relationships, friendships. There's just a different kind of support than what you have with heterosexual friendships. Because my friends kept telling me, I don't think you're doing so well. I think you should put yourself out there. Maybe you should go talk to other people. And I'm like, मुझे पसंद आते तो आ जाए, वरना नहीं आया नहीं आया.
And that someone did come for Marine, a Sam who she dated for 3 years before their baat pakki. For Marine's family, love, well, it isn't needed.
we said we go more for arranged marriage than for love marriage, and we're like, yeah, if it's love, then it's stupid. It's not real, and it will ruin you later. Like the family I come from actively discourages against love. तो उनको ये होता है कि familial love है, हाँ, friends love थोड़ा बहुत होता है, but love is disgusting and it doesn't exist.
But that is exactly what fueled her urge to find someone she truly connects and sees herself with. ये तो हो गई प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें. But let's get to the juicy parts. What is it like to go on a date in Karachi?
We went out on multiple dates. We went out to watch movies 2 or 3 times, or have dinner. Not dinner, lunch, because you know we cannot go out to have dinner. yes. अरे lunch में इतनी मुश्किल से जाते हैं हम, तो झूठ बोलते हैं. Let's be honest.
So, no telling your parents you're out with a boy, no telling them you're out having fun, and daytime is usually the time to go. Once you're on the date,
With gay relationships, you don't have to worry about this because no one ever thinks you're gay. No one thinks you're gay, and you can get away with a lot of stuff. Yes, खास तौर पे दोस्ती है, सहेलियाँ ये तो.
and there's this inherent fear you have of navigating inside the city alone, and now you gotta be out without supervision with a man, someone you've always been told to stay away from to protect yourself.
What if he's not like that? What if he's like this? What if he's gonna lure me somewhere, you know, and take me away and like cut me into pieces and then throw me out? That's what I told my husband when we were first going to meet. Okay, so he said, okay, let's meet. I was like, okay. Even though I knew him, okay, who is he, and all, but I was like, hey, what if I come and you will like drug me and cut me into pieces and throw me out somewhere? He's like, are you insane? I was like, no, it happens. So he's like, stop watching CID. I was like, no, that's real.
But what I noticed as the worst case scenario was getting caught by, you guessed it, Sin Police. I asked Haika about it and she jokingly said, वो इतनी आगे कभी गई नहीं है. But Marian had friends who'd gone through the police actually catching them.
अच्छा अगर होना हो तो कभी कहीं भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, आपको कुछ पता नहीं होगा. सीवी पे आप होंगे, आपका अच्छा टाइम जा रहा होगा, and then अचानक से you will like kind of have the police on you and they try to extort you for money.
तो अगर इतनी दिक्कतें इतनी मर्दों पे बेएतमादी है, तो how can dating be fun for girls in Karachi? After that intense auntie stare down, we paid our bills and immediately left. और मतलब हम दोनों हंस रहे हैं अपनी किस्मत पे, क्योंकि और हम कर भी क्या सकते हैं. And I keep saying to my friend, पर हम कुछ कर भी नहीं रहे थे. And he turns to me and he says, do you even care? और मेरा immediate जवाब to that is, no, of course not.
एक पॉइंट आता है ना आपके लाइफ में कि आपको फिर किसी चीज़ से डर ही नहीं लगता. मतलब आपको पता होता है कि हाँ दिस थिंग इज गोइंग टू हैव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, बट व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली इंडल्जिंग इन दैट यू आर जस्ट लाइक, मतलब चलो हाँ अल्लाह का डर होता है, सही है, अल्लाह का डर है, बेशक है, बट आपको अब माँ बाप डांटते रह रहे हैं, डांटे जा रहे हैं, आप कुछ भी कर लें, डांट पिट रही है आपको, सही है, तो आपको आदत हो जाती है भाई, मतलब आप ना बेगैरत हो जाते हैं असल में कि जलील तो कुछ भी कर लें, हम होना ही है, हमने तो यही कर लेते हैं.
I share the same thought with Haika, but then again, I still think about those aunties I'd offended or the waiters, and I think, should I be caring? Should I be thinking what the staff thinks, what those aunties think? Should I be putting too much faith on my friend by being out with him? And what kind of an impression am I giving him if I'm careless of my own safety and reputation or honor even? What if Karachi's uncertainty does put us in a situation he might not be equipped to deal with? And then I think, this boy is probably not thinking about any of this. He's probably thinking, Maghrib होने वाली है, अब इसको छोड़ना भी मेरे सर मुसल्लत हो जाएगा. He's not required to think about the implications of what others might think of him. And I'm somewhat dependent on this man because of what Marian said to me.
आपको तो कोई पकड़ेगा, and लड़का तो चलो he'll get away with something. लड़की के साथ मसले होंगे बिकॉज उसके ख़ानदान वाले ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट होंगे, सोसाइटी विल बी मोर स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन हर. कोई भी अगर हादसा हुआ देन वो सब मामला लड़की पे आ जाता है कि वो इसने क्यों किया.
And that makes me angry. Of course, it makes me furious. But it's also why it can be fun or thrilling. Because you're still getting ready, asking your date to park a gully away from your home, and sitting outside with him knowing ये CID case बहुत जल्दी बन सकता है. Because Well, you simply want to.
Your text won't send.